Hi everyone, come and join me. Let's draw and color Patrick Star wearing a Boy Scout uniform. First, let's draw the shape of Patrick Star's head. Patrick wears a Boy Scout uniform with a fun hat. Next, his big round eyes. His mouth, upper teeth, and tongue. His cheeks and eyebrow. I'm drawing the shape of his Boy Scout head cap. Next, let's draw his body and hands wearing the uniform. Patrick goes on treasure hunts and finds cool stuff. Patrick loves earning badges for learning new skills. What kind of badge would you like to earn with Patrick? Patrick goes on nature hikes to find cool bugs and plants. Lastly, I'm drawing his legs. Nice work! Let's add color to Patrick Star. Terrific! Patrick Star can't wait to go on an adventure. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.